Hello everybody, welcome back to Newbies Work on Cars. Today is a special video. If you remember, first few videos we had on the channel, me and David, we were monkeying around with a blue Mustang. We were trying to get it running. We got it running off starting fluid, and you know, it was smoke all over the place. Ready? Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. We were happy, you know, got the car running. The history behind the Mustang was there was water in the engine, and the engine was seized, and the car was sitting for several years, you know, not really nobody touching anything, you know. So David bought it, you know, he likes Mustang, I like Mustangs, you know. Also here with me, Al, and we also like, you know, everybody likes Mustangs in here.
Yeah.
Not Ford in general, but Mustangs have a special place in our hearts. You know?
Yes, yes.
Anyway, so you know, we were happy we got that engine, you know, running, working. Then later on, David found out that actually the block had a hole into it, had a crack, and you know, developed a hole in it. So the block was no good. So then later on, Al from AJ Auto. So he got it from David. He went through. What's the things? What he did so far? Give us some.
Well, this is what happened. This vehicle was sitting in David's garage. David is my friend, and I noticed David actually trying to get it fixed up, and he was messing with it like you were saying that you guys realized that there's a hole in the block of the motor. It has a bad motor, so the motor is effed up. So this is the block of the motor that I took out of that Mustang right there. And if you can see, it is gone. That is the block right there. I asked David if he wants to sell it, and he's like, yeah, I'll sell it. I said, okay, I'll take it from you. He said, good. He's like, okay, just take it. So I took it from Dave. It was, even the brakes on it were locked up. It was really difficult to get that car loaded in the trailer. I remember it took us quite a while before we loaded it on the trailer. Anyway, so after I got it hauled, and then I brought it down to a storage that I used to have. I put it in the storage, and I realized, you know what, maybe there is a nice area I think I can be able to go ahead and work on in this little storage. So I said, okay, I'll go ahead and do it. So I pulled the engine out. You know, it's in a storage which is what, 10 by 30 size of garage, and I pulled the motor out. It was really hustle with that car. So anyway, so I pulled the motor out, and it stayed a while there, and finally I rented a garage, which is this place here.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, there's a good time now. I can go ahead and bring it here and start working on it. So first thing what I did, I brought the block from a 2004 Ford F-150.
A lot of people say it's not gonna work.
Yes, a lot of people were saying a lot of people. I did a lot of search online about what's the difference between the 4.6 liter engine on a pickup truck and a 4.6 liter engine on a Mustang. I'll tell you what's the difference here. The differences on the block is not the block itself, it is the crankshaft.
Yep.
Okay? The crankshaft, the differences between the Mustang and the pickup truck is the flywheel. the flywheel bolt pattern is different. So they come on 8 and they come 16. So these are the differences between the both motors.
So what's the benefit of having the truck's block instead of another Mustang's block?
Well, the pickup truck block is basically it's the same size, but the difference is the pistons are different. On the block, on
Higher
the
compression?
yeah, on the block itself with the pistons on the pickup truck, yes, they got high compressions. They are bigger pistons, and on the Mustang they are kind of thinner.
Yeah.
They are more like for speed.
Yep. So this one have more torque into it, so it can pull even better.
So yeah, so this one it has pistons on a pickup truck.
It's thicker pistons.
So they are and it has a lot of torque, and it gains quite a bit of power.
So it can run faster.
Yes, and it is definitely pulls. It's got a lot of too much horsepower.
So it helps like on the lower end when
oh,
going
yeah.
out
Oh, yes.
rather than.
Yes.
Because usually the Mustangs it's on the higher RPM to give you the power. This one is on the lower torque,
Yes.
still lower RPM, still give you more than what the stock Mustang would be.
Oh yes.
Okay. So what else you did to that?
So after
Color, huh?
so
It was blue. It was blue at some
it used
point.
to be blue. It used to be blue, and I honestly did not like that blue color. I know Dave loved that
Loves
color.
blue. He bought it just because it's blue.
Yeah, but that blue color was I don't know, drove me nuts. And the rims, as we're
They were
gonna show
bent.
you in the pictures, they were pink, and I hated them. So I told Dave I'm going to go ahead and overhaul this car. I'm going to do something different with it. So what I did, I went ahead and
Might show here a little bit,
might
but
show-
we'll do the reveal here. in a little
yeah.
bit.
So I changed the color, and I put nice stripe in the middle, and on the sides you're gonna see.
Keep it a secret.
Soon.
Keep it a secret.
Yeah. So as well, what I did a lot of restoration. Like it had rust underneath it on the body. I did cleaned all that underneath it. Basically, it's a lot better what it used to be.
Yeah.
And I undercoated
Yeah, so
the
everything is
car from
undercoated,
underneath.
everything rust-proofed.
Yes.
So
And I did
that's a lot of
replace.
the hidden work that people usually doesn't notice.
Yeah, they don't know. Yeah, but I done. I put a new brake pads and new rotors and new brake
And the fuel system
cylinders.
all been revised, because I remember the issue was we could not get the fuel pump to work.
Yeah.
He got all that fixed.
All that, I put a new fuel pump in it. Everything this car has been
Runs
basically
and
done.
drives
Yeah.
and ready to be sold, right?
Yes, correct. Yes, and by the way, it is on.
It's on eBay?
It's on eBay.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
I'll put the link here on the bottom. If it's still for sale, the link will be there.
yes. But remember, this vehicle it does come with a salvage title, which is I honestly don't
There's
care
no
for.
accident on it. That's the
Yeah,
the thing.
it was a flood damage vehicle, so
Yeah.
it was a flood damage vehicle, but I brought it to life, and it runs beautiful, perfectly. I mean it
And no, it's not
Yeah.
a Texas flood damage.
No,
That
it's
was
not.
Way before that.
way before that. And remember, guys, the engine been rebuilt, and the whole car's been repainted. So what else do you need from a vehicle?
All fluid's been changed.
Ever
everything.
full brakes. I mean, everything's been done. Transmission flushed.
All of it been checked.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
All right. So what do you think? Ready for reveal?
So
Let's show
we're
them.
gonna show you how it looks after it's been repaired, guys.
Alrighty. Let's get the chairs on them. Drums rolling.
It's got some dust on it, so
It's a shop, so there's some dust.
yeah. So this is a body shop, and it's kind of gets dusty here. So you guys, you can bring the camera here.
All right. I'll bring the camera. I'll get the.
Clean it. Wash.
Yeah, it's a shop. He's working. We were like filming underneath that car. So yeah.
That's another part that's ready.
Another collision.
Yes.
Paint. All right. So it's a convertible. Yay.
And believe it or not, I didn't mention about the headlights. I fixed the headlights as well. These are the
Yep.
original.
I actually helped with fixing those. Yep. So I can say I did something.
Yes,
You know.
you did. Good job.
Alrighty.
Well,
you got the keys? It's warming up. Let's take a look on the dash in here. $80,000 miles and 81,000, right? 81,000 miles. All right, what do you think? That's enough playing here today?
Yeah.
Alrighty. All right, guys, that will be enough for today. Again, thank you for watching, and have a great day.